there was a tremendous validation that this drug may be useful in ALS. And that is because mutations in the sigma-1 receptor can cause ALS. And the target for this drug is the sigma-1 receptor. So the big question was whether increased activity of sigma-1 through pridopidine could provide benefit. This was initially chosen to be one of the first 3 studies in the HEALEY platform trial, and this study included all comers, essentially people who'd had onset disease up to 3 years, and these were patients quite far in advance. When we looked at the subgroup again of patients that were definite and early and less to 18 months duration, we saw significant benefit in the key outcome for ALS, ALSFRS. This was significant already at 8 weeks. Furthermore, we saw maintenance of respiratory function, and dyspnea, the key signal in the ALSFRS for respiratory function, showed no change at all from baseline compared to placebo. Also significant in a short-term 24-week study. Also bulbar function was improved, and importantly speech was also significantly enhanced as measured by speaking rate and articulation rate, and actually showed no deterioration from baseline up to 24 weeks. The study went into open label after 24 weeks, and we were very interested also in looking at survival. So this was not a true placebo-controlled survival study, because now the patients had been on, everybody was on pridopidine, but it was just a delayed start. When we looked at the parameter that's often measured in ALS, when 50% of the patients died, or 50% survival probability, for those patients who had a delayed start, the time to death, 50% survival probability, was 300 days. However, in the people that had pridopidine right from the beginning, the survival probability for 50% went out to 600 days. So we had a survival increase by 300 days. So this is all, again, very exciting. Some of the findings in speech and respiration have also not been seen in ALS. And we will be proceeding to a phase 3 trial now, not as part of a platform, but a double-blind, placebo-controlled trial in North America and Europe. We've had support for the regulators for a single pivotal trial, and we hope to be able to start this trial in the second half of 2024.